Do you know how much the Jamaican community has influenced British culture? You might be surprised to learn that Jamaican heritage has left a lasting mark on everything from music and language to cuisine and politics in the UK. Today, we're diving into 10 fascinating facts about how the Jamaican community has shaped British culture in ways that continue to inspire and impact the world. So, buckle up and get ready to uncover the vibrant history and cultural legacy of Jamaicans in the UK. Fact 1. The arrival of the Windrush Generation. Our journey begins in 1948 with the arrival of the HMT Empire Windrush at Tilbury Docks in Essex. This iconic ship carried 492 passengers from Jamaica, invited to help rebuild post-war Britain. The arrival of the Windrush Generation marked the beginning of a profound cultural exchange. Despite facing racial discrimination and economic hardship, these early migrants brought resilience and a strong sense of community, laying the groundwork for a Jamaican-British legacy that would flourish in the years to come. Fact 2. The musical revolution. Ska and reggae take over. Did you know that some of Britain's most beloved music genres have Jamaican roots? In the 1960s, Jamaican ska and reggae made their way to the UK, revolutionizing the music scene. Artists like Millie Small, with her hit My Boy Lollipop, and Desmond Dekker became household names, introducing British audiences to the infectious rhythms of Jamaican music. The 1972 film The Harder They Come, starring Jimmy Cliff, further solidified reggae's place in British culture, weaving themes of social justice and resilience into the hearts of listeners. Fact 3. Dancehall and sound system culture. Fast forward to the 1980s, and you'll see the rise of dancehall music and sound system culture in the UK. Jamaican DJs and producers brought the party to Britain, creating a lively underground scene that paved the way for new genres like jungle and garage. These sound systems, with their booming bass lines and infectious energy, weren't just about music, they were about creating a sense of belonging and identity for young Jamaicans and their communities. Fact 4. The Notting Hill Carnival, a celebration of Jamaican heritage. Every year, London comes alive with the colours, sounds and flavours of the Caribbean at the Notting Hill Carnival. But did you know, this vibrant celebration has deep Jamaican roots? Originating in the 1960s as a way to bring people together and celebrate Caribbean culture, the Carnival has grown into one of Europe's largest street festivals. With steel bands, dancehall music and traditional Jamaican food, it's a testament to the enduring influence of Jamaican culture in Britain. Fact 5. The Culinary Impact. Jerk chicken and beyond. When it comes to food, Jamaican cuisine has become a staple in British culture. From jerk chicken and rice and peas to ackee and saltfish, these flavours have found their way into restaurants and street food markets across the UK. The popularity of Jamaican food reflects Britain's love for the bold, spicy and comforting dishes brought by the Jamaican community, making every bite a celebration of heritage and flavour. Fact 6. Language and slang. Jamaican patois enriches British English. Have you ever heard someone in the UK say "wagwan" or "I re"? These words come straight from Jamaican patois. The influence of the Jamaican community on British slang is undeniable, especially in urban areas. Younger generations have adopted phrases like "yardie" and "bruck up," demonstrating how language has evolved through cultural exchange. This linguistic impact highlights the deep integration of Jamaican culture into the everyday lives of people across Britain. Fact 7. Fashion and style. Dreadlocks and Rastafarian influence. The world of British fashion has also been touched by Jamaican culture, especially through the Rastafarian movement. In the 1970s and 80s, dreadlocks, reggae-inspired clothing, and the colours red, gold and green became symbols of cultural pride and resistance. Jamaican style has continued to inspire fashion trends in the UK, with streetwear brands and designers embracing the island's vibrant aesthetic and ethos. Fact 8. The impact on British politics and activism. Jamaicans in the UK haven't just influenced culture, they've made waves in politics and social activism as well. Diane Abbott, the first black woman elected to the UK Parliament, has long been a champion for equality and social justice, inspiring generations of future leaders. Stuart Hall, a cultural theorist of Jamaican descent, reshaped the way British society understands race and identity. Their contributions have helped to create a more inclusive and diverse political landscape in the UK. Fact 9. Sports achievements. Bringing Jamaican athletic prowess to Britain. Jamaicans are known for their athletic prowess, and this talent has certainly made an impact in the UK. Linford Christie, born in Jamaica, became one of Britain's greatest sprinters, winning gold in the 100 metres at the 1992 Barcelona Olympics. Jamaican athletes have brought pride to Britain, showing that the spirit of Jamaican excellence is alive and thriving in British sports. Fact 10. The ongoing legacy and challenges. While the contributions of Jamaicans to British culture are immense, the community has also faced its share of challenges. The Windrush scandal of recent years brought attention to the injustices faced by Caribbean immigrants, sparking national outrage and calls for change. Yet, despite these hardships, the Jamaican community continues to demonstrate incredible resilience and pride, shaping the future while honouring the past. Conclusion and final thoughts. The Jamaican community's influence on British culture is a testament to the power of cultural exchange and resilience. From music and cuisine to politics and fashion, Jamaicans have left an indelible mark on the UK. Their contributions continue to shape and enrich the fabric of British society, reminding us of the beauty of diversity. If you found these stories as inspiring as we did, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more content that celebrates the global impact of different cultures. Drop a comment below and let us know which Jamaican influence surprised you the most. Thanks for watching, and remember, Jamaica to the world.